It's a new 2019 GMC Yukon. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry it all with this Yukon. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and power tilt-down heated mirrors. Edmonds.com finds it boasts substantially more towing capability than crossovers, while also delivering a higher degree of burliness and solidity. GMC, professional-grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.